Hello, my name is Vikas Kumar. I have completed my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering from Shiksha Anusandhan University, Bhubaneswar. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have recently completed my OJT LMS program, 15 days program from eVision TechnoServe. I had great experience with eVision TechnoServe. I got placed in ESEC for Technologies in Gurgaon location. eVision provided comprehensive training, hands-on practical exposure, and strong industrial oriented learning that prepared me effectively for real world challenging. The trainers were highly knowledgeable, supportive, and always willing to guide us. The placement support team was extremely proactive, regularly sharing relevant opportunities and conducting mock interviews that significantly enhanced my confidence. Thanks to their exceptional training and dedicated placement support, I was able to secure a job quickly. I truly appreciate the efforts of the Vision team. I special thanks to Sati Sudhakar ma'am, Priya ma'am, Sania ma'am, and my HR Anamika ma'am. They really supported me. Without them, this was not possible. So thanks to all the team and all the members. They are very supportive and they are making the futures of the students. So thank you very much.